Just like all of our builds, this one starts with getting accurate measurements. We're going to be making most of this with 1/2-inch PVC. All of this cost me about $10. Oh, I almost forgot. This isn't a normal PVC elbow. It's got a threaded 1/2-inch insert on one side that we're going to use to hook this up to our air compressor. Make sure you squeeze those fittings in nice and tight. I drilled a hole about every inch. These 3 fittings are for attaching our PVC manifold to our air compressor. We're using plumber's tape to keep things airtight. Before we fill this up, these things can be very dangerous, especially if you have chickens. Do not forget to label your buckets. And never use the same container for washing your eggs or your veggies. Those chickens have been working hard. Really hard. Next time, I'm going to show you what I do with all these eggs.